Let's make a quick salad dressing using the seeds, seed cycling. This is flax and pumpkin because we're in the first week of the month. A 1/4 cup of lemon or lime juice. You could even use orange juice. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. And a teaspoon of coconut, liquid aminos. A teaspoon of coconut liquid aminos. Now you can use a tablespoon of another nut. This will pleasantly surprise you. It's a very nice flavor. Oh, it's mouth-watering good. This salad dressing makes me want to eat salad. It is so good. Top that on there. You can use less if you would like. I love it. Delicious. Enjoy.